So now this case, IPOB trading as customary government of indigenous people of Biafra versus Federal Republic of Nigeria, Attorney General of the Federation, General Yakubu Gowon, General Olusegun Obasanjo. I want you to understand some things about this IPOB. There is a suit that the federal government filed and obtained an order of prescription order against that case is suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/879/2017 between Attorney General of the Federation as applicant and indigenous people of Biafra IPOB as respondent. By that suit, the federal government obtained an order